Hi everybody, Jacques for INKISH TV, and we're standing here at the booth of Myze. And Myze is a special company because it is part, or isn't it part of Brother? Well, we'll ask the man himself, and I have the pleasure of introducing you to André. Hello André.
Hi,
Good
nice
morning
to meet you. Hi.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, thanks.
Good, yeah?
What about you?
Great, oh,
Yeah.
fantastic, thank you.
Perfect.
Well, we're here on the Brother booth, but yet there's another name on the wall. Why? Tell us a little bit about your software product and how you came up with Myze and what it is.
If we ask ourselves about digital solutions, we are very late. So Brother missed in the past a bit the digital path to go, and we decided 2 years ago to start inside of Brother to start with a digital solution, and this is the name Myze. So Myze is our end customer platform where we help our customers to be more efficient in the production, to generate more orders because we're connecting the e-commerce platforms as the retail business as well. And the platform will take care about ripping, profiling, and send everybody or everything to the printer by scanning just a QR code.
Right. Well, that sounds interesting. As you say, yeah, I can see it by the name. It's with a Y. It's not with an I. So why is it Myze? Has it meaning or?
Yeah, it's a meaning. It's from customize, finalize, and analyze.
Okay.
So these are the steps of our daily work for our customers, but also for us. So first of all, we have to customize something. So we are offering also the customization because customization is key. This means we will have also some designers inside of Shopify, WooCommerce, and so on. And at the same time, also in the retail business, we are able to create templates and allow our end customers only to change some parts in the template. Of course, then you have to finalize everything because the product has to be printed. And at the end, of course, our end customers like to analyze the production, the data, of course, the sales. Very important, and this is also always part of the Brother Myze.
So that one word has everything in it. So well thought through. Well, let's maybe dive a little bit into what your product, because if I was well informed, you had the idea. So basically, if you told me correctly, it also integrates like web platform technology. Workflow technology. Tell us a little bit more in depth on what it does for the customer.
Okay, to handle all our target groups. So Brother is in a good position to have products for the small customers, medium range customers, also the mass production customers. With our platform, of course, we offering also some connectors to sell, for example, directly in Shopify. This is, of course, something for the small ones. But for the mass production customers, we are offering a very strong API. So we get all the high-res PNG file, taking care about ripping process inside the platform, and prepare everything for very smooth production, a daily production for our end customers.
Yes. You mentioned here that you do the ripping inside of your platform. Is that then a proper Brother rip, or how should I say
Exactly, yeah. Brother is offering their own rip technology. Our platform mainly take care about profiles. So you set up as an end customer the kind of profiles. For example, for a sweatshirt, you need a different profile than for a t-shirt. And we take this information inside the Brother rip and prepare the files like it should at the end, that we have really the best print quality on different kind of textiles.
Yes, and of course they have to select the Brother machine then to run it on.
Absolutely, yes, of course. We like to support our hardware sales and also, of course, the ink sales.
Yeah.
So we try to generate more orders through the platform because of the connectors, but also for the retail business and so on. And of course, if you have more time in your production, not running with a USB key with print files to each printer, only prepare picking list. The labels come automatically out of our printers, and you just have to scan, and then it's the magic.
When it's ready, when the magic's done. We can see here on the screens that you say all the statuses and stuff. So you kind of I can see it a little bit like coming in out of commercial printers. They all some other brands also have their own workflow system and system to run all their equipments. But do I see this correctly? Rather well known from the direct to garment, direct to film, and now also in a large format. Will all of these machines will be supported in this platform as well?
Yes, yes. In the future, of course, this is on our roadmap. The next step is, of course, we like to integrate the DTF as soon as possible. In addition, the embroidery, because we have also a very strong embroidery business in our company. Large format as well, and yeah, maybe there are different or upcoming products, and then of course Myze in general is the base for our digital future, and we will think in all concepts and all roadmaps Myze as a base, as a main platform exactly to receive data, to convert data, and send it to different kind of products.
Okay, so you will have one platform to serve all products and machines of Brother. Last question of me here. You as let's say the guy with the idea, you were giving the means by Brother to develop this idea. If I'm not mistaken, you're German. So congratulations on that, to persuade a Japanese company to give you the money to pursue this idea.
Thank you.
So I guess you have been traveling a lot. Can we say that you're still kind of in a startup phase and like implementing and with some customers?
Exactly. So we're developing right now since 2 years, and for all of us who know how difficult it is to develop a software, we need some more time, but we have a very good base. We are live. We send out thousands of orders through the platform. Of course, now the next step is the onboarding period, and this means also some travel action. Yep. Yes, of course, because it's a startup, we are a small team, but we have really fire in our body. We like to make this platform as a really state-of-the-art daily work platform that our customers only go on the next morning, click on Myze, log in, and then everything is there, and they know what to do, and they have a really efficient production.
Perfect. Well, it's crystal clear, and I wish you all the best with,
Thank you very much.
with your journey.
Thank you.
And I'm sure we'll see each other soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.